My name is FInebloom, and I'm one of the partners at FInebloom and Haenel. Trafficking in illegal narcotics. This is the most serious nonviolent crime we have in the state of Florida. The laws are extremely draconian. If you get charged with trafficking from anywhere between 4 and 14 grams, depending on the drug, your mandatory sentence is 3 years. And I don't have the time to go through every single one of these, but suffice it to say, if you're caught with a trafficking amount of drugs, there's a mandatory prison sentence, whether it's 3 years, 7 years, 15 years, or 25 years. That is a long time. And that's for people who have no prior history whatsoever. So you ask, how do we defend those types of cases? Well, we do it in many ways. One way is we want to talk to you. We want to find out who made you or who put you up to this if you're a first-time offender. What made you do this? Many times the police will coax other people, friends of yours, family members of yours, to feed you some sob story and get you to sell them some illegal narcotics, whether it's your prescription medication. Even if you have a prescription for it and you sell it to someone else, that could be trafficking. Even a minor amount, 4 grams, that's very little. That'll get you 3 to 7. So you really need to contact our office. Many times they use confidential informants. We want to find out who that informant is. We want to find out how many times they called you. We want to get into this case and put the state to their burden. Depending on your age, there are other ways to get around the mandatory sentences. We have something in the state of Florida called youthful offender. And if you're under the age of 21, when you committed the crime and you got to do it before you're sentenced, the judge can get under those mandatory sentences. There's also something out there called substantial assistance, and I really do have a hard time advocating for that because, one, it puts you at risk, could put your family at risk. But that is the only other way to get around the mandatory sentences unless we go to trial. So these are extremely tough cases, and you need great representation. That's what we provide here at FInebloom and Haenel. I'm FInebloom. If you've been charged with a trafficking offense, your life is on the line. Let us be there for you. Give us a call at 1-800-FIGHT-IT or visit our website at fightyourdrugcrime.com.